Hi everyone. After my cork pop gun shooting with my BSA Meteor, where I tried to shoot some corks out of the barrel, or pushed into the end of the muzzle, then kind of went everywhere. They were a bit left, a bit right, a bit up, down. They were a bit wayward. A couple of members of the Airgun forum, Padge and Slipknot88, suggested I try to shoot some rubber bungs that they use in laboratory equipment. Now, I did a bit of a search on the internet for those, and they work out at about £2.40 a pop. No pun intended. Well, okay, pun is intended. So I did a bit more scouring on eBay, and I came up with these. These are silicone rubber bungs, and they're tapered bungs. They taper from 5mm to 9mm. I'll put a bit of a shot here for you. And these are quite good. They're solid, they're rubbery, and they are an absolute perfect fit in the muzzle of this rifle. So I'm going to have a go at shooting some of my favourite beverage cans. What I've got down here is a target that a good member of the Airgun forum, Nivea, Andy by name, supplied me with a few years ago, and this is giving me a chance to try out the new target that well, the new target holder that I made yesterday, which is actually for grey board. If I just grab this target and show you. Don't you fall off. This is what they call grey board. It's 3mm thick, 3mm thick composite card, and it's ideal for sticking self-adhesive targets to. Here I've got some Birchwood KC shoot and see targets. Normally if you shoot these with an air pistol or an air rifle, they go green. But what they're going to do when I hit them with one of these backwards, I have no idea, even if I manage to hit them. So we'll just slide this back into the holder. And we'll give it a go. Right. Let's put one of these silicone rubber bongs into the muzzle. These are a wonderful fit in the end of these. I'm just going to push them in slightly with the end of a pen. They are a perfect fit, really snug fit. So we'll cock the rifle. Anyone in my other videos will know that I struggle to cock a Springer these days. I'm shooting using the fibre optic sights. I've got a target there that is must be all of 5 meters away from that. So let's have a go at the left hand beverage can. Yeah, that's okay, hitting that. And these go with quite a pop. So it's quite noisy on the muzzle report. Push another one in. Ooh, I need to do some work out. We'll try the second beverage can. Let's try and whack it somewhere near the top. Don't know where that went. I heard it bounce somewhere. It kind of bounced back here somewhere. With these being silicone rubber, they're quite bouncy, rubbery. So let's have another go at that second can. Can't even tell where they're going. Oh dear, it's all a bit of fun. Let's try another one. That first shot was probably a bit of luck. Can't believe that they're not flying towards the cans at this distance. Let's have another go. Who knows where they're going? Hopefully this camera will pick up where they're flying to, and this camera here will do it. The slow-mo camera may do it. Let's put another one in. Let's not push it quite so far in. Let's just put it in the end of the muzzle. Well, this is not quite going as well as I thought it would. Oh, here we go. I just saw that one. It bounced off the ground and it's now halfway down the garden. Hopefully this camera can see that, and this camera might do as well. But oh, that was amusing. Oh, good. Oh, the fun of it. The things I do for your entertainment. I still can't get this second can. That first shot must have been just a wild card, because these are not going anywhere near the cans. Let's have another go. No idea where they're going. Oh. Let's push it down a bit. Get it tight in there. Oh dear me. Such is life. I'm going to give up trying on this Stella can. I just can't get it. Well, the silicone rubber can't get it. Still keep trying though. No idea. Oh dear. These really are going with a hell of a pop. You know, there's quite a report coming from the muzzle. I'm going to try to shoot at the bottom of this can, because I don't know if they're going over the top or not, but let's have a look at the bottom. Oh, thank you. I think that just hit the hairy arm stand and came straight back here somewhere. My God. It's all a bit of fun. I don't mind. Where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 left, well 7 if you include this one, but I haven't got a clue where they're hitting. I'm going to try aim high on this can at the top. I can see them bouncing all over the floor. These are ridiculous. Ah. You're not shooting rubber bands out of a rifle, this is. I won't give up. I'm going to shoot them all anyway, and then probably walk round trying to find out where they've gone. I'm going to have one last shot at this can. If it doesn't go, I'm going to have a go at the Nivea target. That one, I just saw that go boom, and that one has just gone down the garden. Not at any high speed, but it just went and landed on the lawn. Gosh, gee. I think people call me the nutty professor around here. Right, I'm going to have a go at one of these birchwood casey targets. In fact, looking at it now, I can see a green spot that has appeared that wasn't there before on that bottom right hand target. So I'm going to have to look back at the video to find out which shot I was shooting that caused that. So let's have a go at the bottom left hand birchwood casey target. And that definitely came back here. Didn't seem to do much. This is probably just going to be a wasted video, but it was something I was determined to give a go at. So we've got the top right hand birch casey. These are bouncing all over the place. I haven't hit anything yet, apart from that Stella can with the first shot. I have no idea. Things I do. I'm going to aim in the dead centre of that grey board target. Let's see where this ends up. Oh, ping pong. I saw that. That did bounce all over the place. Just a couple left. Not exactly the results I was looking for, but a bit of fun all the same. Bottom left target. Oh, that got it. And straight back here into my... Don't worry, no damage done at my age. And the last shot. I've actually got something to show through it. Woo! I think I'm going to aim. I actually aimed at that very bottom target there, so I'm going to aim for it again to see what happens here. Last shot. I didn't hack. Oh, what a laugh. All I can say is, thanks for watching. It's all a bit of fun. If I damage the rifle, I take it apart, I fix it. No big deal. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. Where have they gone? Bye.